Medically reviewed on December 14, 2017. References: American Psychiatric Association. Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, 5th edition. Arlington, Virginia. American Psychiatric Association, 2013. American Psychiatric Association. Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, 4th edition. Treatment Revision. Washington, D.C. American Psychiatric Association, 2000. American Psychiatric Association. Practice Guideline for the Treatment of Patients with Eating Disorders, 3rd edition. Washington, D.C. American Psychiatric Association, May 2006. Bohan, C., E. Stice, and E. Burton. Maintenance Factors for Persistence of Bulimic Pathology, a Prospective Natural History Study. International Journal of Eating Disorders 42, 2009, 173-178. Bulick, C.M., K.A. Brownlee, and J.R. Shapiro. Diagnosis and Management of Binge Eating Disorder, World Psychiatry 6.3, October 2007, 142-148. Davis, C., and J. C. Carter. Compulsive Overeating as an Addiction Disorder, A Review of Theory and Evidence, Appetite 53.1, August 2009 to 1-8. Eating Disorders Foundation of Victoria. Eating Disorders and Binge Eating Information Sheet, 2006. Fairburn, C.G., H.A. Dahl, S.L. Welch, et al. Risk Factors for Binge Eating Disorder, a Community-Based, Case-Control Study. Archives of General Psychiatry 55.5 May 1998, 425-432. Hudson, J.I.E. Harry P., H.G. Pope, and R.C. Kessler. The Prevalence and Correlates of Eating Disorders in the National Comorbidity Survey. Replication, Biological Psychiatry 61.3 February 2007, 348-358. Hudson, J.K. Lalonde, C.E. Coit, et al. Longitudinal Study of the Diagnosis of Components of the Metabolic Syndrome in Individuals with Binge Eating Disorder, American Journal of Clinical Nutrition 91.6 June 2010, 1568-1573. Iacovino, J.M., D.M. Grezio, M. Altman, and D.E. Wolfley. Psychological Treatments for Binge Eating Disorder, Current Psychiatry Report August 2012. K.W. Neurobiology of Anorexia and Bulimia Nervosa, Physiology of Behavior 94, 2008, 121-135. Castro, K. J. B. Lehrman, and E. Adia. The Current Status of Suicide and Self-Injury in Eating Disorders, A Narrative Review, Journal of Eating Disorders 2, 2014, 19. Christeller, J.L., and C.B. Hallett. An Exploratory Study of a Meditation-Based Intervention for Binge Eating Disorder, Journal of Health Psychology 4.3 May 1999, 357-363. McElroy, S.L., L.M. Arnold, and A. Shapiro, et al. Tapira made in the treatment of binge eating disorder associated with obesity, a randomized, placebo-controlled trial, American Journal of Psychiatry 160 Feb. 2003-2. Mental Health and Spiritual Healthcare. Eating Disorders, Best Practices in Prevention and Intervention 2006. Murch, M.C., J.R. McDuffie, S. Zionovsky, et al. Effects of Binge Eating on Satiation, Satiety, and Energy Intake of Overweight Children, American Journal of Clinical Nutrition 84.4 October 2006 to 732-738. Mushy, R.J., S.R. Hart, and N.E. Alongo. Internalizing Antecedents and Consequences of Binge Eating Behaviors in a Community-Based, Urban Sample of African American Females, Prevention Science 2013. Pope, H.G., J.K. Lalonde, L.J. Pindyke, et al. Binge Eating Disorder, A Stable Syndrome, American Journal of Psychiatry 163 December 2006, 2181-2183. Sinha, S., and N. Wafa. Treatment of Eating Disorders Among Ethnic Minorities in Western Settings, A Systemic Review, Psychiatr Danabina 25, Sepal 2, 2013, 295-299. Stice, E., H. Shaw, E. Burton, and W. Wade. Dissonance and Healthy Weight Eating Disorder Prevention Programs, a Randomized Efficacy Trial, Journal of Consulting Clinical Psychology 74.2 April 2006 to 263-275. Striegelmore, R.H., F.A. Dom, K.M. Pike, et al. Abuse, Bullying, and Discrimination as Risk Factors for Binge Eating Disorder, American Journal of Psychiatry 159 November 2002, 1902-1907. Sundigat Borgen, J., and M.K. Torstvit. prevalence of eating disorders in elite athletes is higher than in the general population. Clinical Journal of Sport Medicine 14.1 January 2004, 25-32. United States Food and Drug Administration. FDA expands uses of Vyvanse to treat binge eating disorder. U.S. Food and Drug Administration, January 2015. Silver Spring, Maryland. Wallace, L.M., P.C. Messon, D.L. Safer, and K.M. Ranson. Change in emotion during the course of treatment predicts binge abstinence in guided self-help dialectical behavior therapy for binge eating disorder. Journal of Eating Disorders 2, 20.